How to fix BitLocker site not loading in Windows 11. Hello friends, sometimes when you try to sign in Windows 11, the system asks for BitLocker keys. At this time, you need to go to the official website of Microsoft to get the BitLocker keys. Several users complain that the BitLocker page or site is not loading. They can see only white and blank page instead. The issue mostly occurs because of server-side problem. Microsoft can repair and restore the issue only. However, a trick works for some users. You can also try this trick. Log out from Microsoft account you are logged in, then log into the same account using two-factor authorization. After signing into the Microsoft account, open the BitLocker page. It should be working now. Copy the BitLocker keys and use it. That's all friends. Thanks for watching the video.